So yeah, I don't think I
I'm
have a
kind
formal
of nervous.
introduction. No, don't
I'm
be.
kind of nervous, but I'm
It's okay, we've got
excited.
it.
Should we
Yeah.
start each other saying, "Oh Purnima, thank you so much for letting me be your guest.
No,
I'm
no, no, no.
super honored.
No,
Thank you
I
for
am beyond honored that
asking
you
me.
accepted.
I'm excited to be in this. My
Oh my
arms are
gosh.
shaking.
Me too, bro. Me too. But honestly, I didn't even think you would accept this easily. I thought you'd be like, oh my god, what do I talk about? I mean, like, to be honest, we didn't have that many conversations while we were in LPU gada. So I was kind of skeptical ki adgala vadda, emantido, emon. But I was like, never mind, let me just text her. So I did it, and there you go.
Yeah, I'm actually open to chill and interesting things like this. I really like being, out there. I don't want to be in my bubble
That's
all the
so
time.
cool and sweet.
You are sweet for asking me. I know. How did you even think of me? Like you have like super duper, super many people around you who can. I'm honored. Thank you for counting on me.
And no, that's because of the MUN, dude. You have that, I don't know, natural wit of speaking in you.
అది కొంచెం
It's
పోయింది
so
అనుకుంటాను.
cool. No, it's okay. We'll get it back today.
Yeah.
And teach me
Let's see.
also.
Purnima is actually tutoring people before this podcast, and now she's asking me to teach her. I am the
Yeah.
last person you get, something to learn about.
No, 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 no. But before that, can we talk about the craziest wavelength we share with each other? I mean, like the alignments and the similarities. మన ఇద్దరి పేర్లు సేమ్ పూర్ణ అండ్ పూర్ణిమ what the
Okay, we
fuck?
should. And then what else? We love green.
Crazy.
We love green, and then we are single
We
child.
love green.
Yeah, we are single child to a cute parent.
We love yellow lace.
Oh, yeah, well, that is like a craziest thing. No one can ever be a fan of yellow lace. And I found you
Soul
saying that
twin.
yellow. I thought you were actually being nice and kind to me when you said, I love
I
yellow lace. You're like,
swear
it's
I
okay
was
for
not.
me. And then I'm like, I'm obsessed with yellow lace. Maybe people can get a new area or something the amount of yellow lace I consumed last year. Yeah, what else?
Crazy.
And we are more
We're both
opinionated
from South
people.
India.
Yeah, of course.
Strong opinionated
Opinion.
people.
Yeah, I feel like, oh, this is my take on this. Whatever you care or not. That is the reason maybe we got along while and all.
Fair. I mean, like, I can't even imagine we had a 2 hour long conversation after years of, I don't know, the gap.
Yeah, exactly. And then when we were in college also, we were not hanging out like this long. It was so generic
No,
and so
never.
fun. Yeah, maybe
It
because
was, we were just
people
like
were there.
acquaintances
Yeah.
in college.
Yeah, exactly. And
I
then we
mean,
used to only talk about things which are mutual to our friends and, the food
yeah.
or the college gossip or something. I never thought we would have a different conversations like this. I'm happy we
See,
had.
it turned out to be so cool.
I couldn't even imagine. I don't remember when was the last time I had like 2 hour phone call with someone. Are you the long phone call person?
No, I am, but only with my friends and people I love talking to.
Did you just tell that you love me?
I
But
mean, no,
I'm
I
not
can I
that
can literally
person.
declare that I love you so much after that conversation. Dude, I've just been talking about you to my parents, my friends. I'm like, I didn't know that we shared such good wavelength.
I
Yeah.
told the same thing. I showed your snap to my family as well. They're like, she looks like you. I mean, not like
No,
the way you
that's so
speak or
cute.
something. Like, yeah, even we had thought that we share a lot of things together and have fun.
I
I
love
wish we
your
met
family
earlier.
too.
Yeah. My dad and mom would be super honored. Auntie,
Yeah.
uncle.
That's crazy. So, how shall we start? Like, how we moved from Hyderabad to Punjab, and how did we even decide of going to Punjab?
Punjab and then LP. Yeah. You should tell because You should
Should
start
I?
because yeah, you should start because I have a strong reason to it. Because anyone can go anywhere to have a BTech degree. Why did you come so far to have a math honor degree? That should be a really interesting answer.
Yeah, I feel like coming to LPU was such an adventure for me. I swear I wouldn't want that journey to happen again, but I don't regret anything. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
same, same.
Yeah, because, dude, I was in HPS Begumpet, 11th and 12th, and I honestly didn't attend any coaching classes or anything of such sort. నాకైతే బీటెక్ చేయాలని లేకుండే. That was the only reason I chose mathematics. I was like, okay, maths, physics, chemistry అయితే చదివేసిన. ఇప్పుడు what do I do apart from, doing BTech? I was like, why don't I just study math? కొంచెం మార్క్స్ కూడా మంచిగా వస్తుండే. I was like, okay, let's just choose math. And then came college choosing part. Studying only math was not an easy job in India because no college offered it. I either had to do like a general degree or something like that. So I tried some liberal arts universities where I get to pick the majors and minors. I thought of like choosing math as my major and history or economics as my minor. But it was super, super expensive.
Really?
So I was like, okay, no liberal arts universities. And then my cousin told me about LPU, saying that it has got great campus and amazing environment and vibe.
Same.
వెళ్ళని కూడా వెళ్ళలే పంజాబ్ ఇట్లా సౌత్ లో కూర్చొని క్రేజీ ఉంది అది ఇది అని చెప్పాడు నాకు.
I thought your
I was like,
cousin studied there.
no, he didn't. He
Cool.
studied in MITS. So I was like, okay, నేను రాసేస్తా ఎల్పియూకి అని I wrote off the LPU nest. And then I got selected and I got this 55% scholarship. Cheapest option for me was LPU. I prepared for CUET. CUET
Oh,
was,
Delhi.
yeah, all the
Delhi
central
University.
universities.
Yeah, yeah.
I was the first batch to give CUET.
Mm-hmm.
And preparation aim lekunde. I don't know, COVID made me this lethargic and lazy person. I was not at all interested to study at that point. So I didn't do really well in CUET, but I did okay-ish. If I really attended the counseling, I would have got some Delhi universities. But I don't know, I just was so sad because I didn't score well, so I didn't even want to attend the counseling. And I was like, నేను LPU వెళ్ళిపోతా, పంజాబ్ వెళ్ళిపోతా. My dad, he was super, super looking forward for me to go to Delhi University because he wanted me to have that exposure and all. ఆయన ఇట్లా ఫుల్ సాడ్ అయిపోయిండే
That
because
you
I
chose
didn't do
Punjab.
well in yeah,
Oh,
I
CUET,
didn't
yeah.
do well CUET. She's like, ఏం చేస్తావు ఇప్పుడు? I allowed you to not do BTech, but this is crazy. What do you mean you're going to Punjab? It's like in the other corner of the country. I don't know what you're doing. నేను నీకు ఇట్లా డెసిషన్స్ వదిలేసినా నువ్వేమో ఇట్లా దేడ్ దిమాగ్ పనులన్నీ చేస్తున్నావు. ఐ కెనాట్ డీల్ విత్ దిస్ రైట్ నౌ అంటే నేను ఇట్లా ఏం చేయాలి నాన్న మరి ఇంకా నాకేం కాలేజ్ రాలేదు డూ యూ వాంట్ మీ టు టేక్ అ గ్యాప్ ఇయర్ అంటే హీ వాస్ లైక్ యా జస్ట్ సిట్ అట్ హోమ్ అండ్ ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ దట్ జేఈ అండ్ గో టు ఐఐటి నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అంటే ఐ వాస్ లైక్ నో 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 ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ దట్ వాట్ ద హెల్ నేను చేయను జేఈ నేను రాయను I am not for competitive exams. I know I study well, but I cannot take the pressure. మా మమ్మీ
Yeah.
ఇట్లా ఫుల్ మా డాడీని కన్విన్స్ చేసి she made him agree to the fact that she's going to help you. And then he was like, సర్లే చెప్పు ఎంత ఫీ కట్టాలి ఇంకా కట్టకు చేస్తానా అన్నట్లు he said, okay. Bro, that's crazy. Ammo, we didn't talk for like a week or something. Crazy drama aitunde ma intlo. It was insane. I'm not kidding. Thinking of that now, I laugh a lot. But
Really?
yeah,
This would never happen to you.
no,
Really?
bro. Me
Yeah,
too.
that
I never
really
thought
like
that would happen to me because till then I was like academically a good child. I don't know. It was just all on a straight line till then. But తర్వాత మా డాడీ 1 week మాట్లాడలే. I was crying all the time. I was like, నేను ఇంటి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా బట్ స్టిల్ నో వన్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్లీ కేరింగ్ అబౌట్ మీ అండ్ ఆల్. సో అదైంది.
Yeah, that would be. I wouldn't
No,
actually
no.
think that
Yeah,
would
I was
happen.
saving up the story for the podcast, honestly. But that's
Finally,
true.
you
I'm
did.
not faking it up. So
Oh,
yeah, that
same.
happened. Yeah, and then I actually came late to help you. అంటే ఇదంతా డ్రామా అవుతుండే to get my dad into this acceptance. It all took time. So, ఏమైంది? I was already 1 month late. Classes start అయిపోయిండే and all happened. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ నానా ఇంకా వీ నీడ్ టు లైక్ యాక్ట్ క్విక్ ఏం చేద్దామంటే మా నాన్న ఇట్లా టికెట్స్ బుక్ చేసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోదాం అన్నాడు. సో సిన్స్ వీ వర్ నాట్ ఇన్ టాకింగ్ టర్మ్స్ హీ వాజ్ లైక్ సరే టికెట్స్ బుక్ చేస్తున్నా అని చేసేసాడు. హీ డెంట్ బుక్ ది ఫ్లైట్ టికెట్స్ బికాస్ ఇట్ వాస్ సూపర్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ ఫర్ 3 of us. అంటే అట్ ది మూమెంట్ ముగ్గురికి ఫ్లైట్ టికెట్స్ అంటే హీ కుడెంట్ డూ ఇట్. సో వాస్ లైక్ యా ఫేర్ ఇనఫ్ జస్ట్ బుక్ ది ట్రైన్ టికెట్స్. హీ బుక్ ట్రైన్ టికెట్స్ టు చండీగఢ్. నన్ను అడగాలి కదా కాలేజ్ ఎక్కడుందని. He booked train tickets to Chandigarh.
Okay.
And then I was like, college तो జలంధర్ में है, చండీగఢ్ ఎందుకు బుక్ చేసావంటే చెప్పాలి కదా నాకు జలంధర్లో ఉంది కాలేజ్ అని. అంటే నువ్వు నన్ను అడగాలి కదా టికెట్స్ బుక్ చేసేటప్పుడు. That thing happened. So yeah, again he changed tickets to Jalandhar.
You actually had a story to come to help you. Crazy.
I have a story. Yeah, then I got onto that train. North Indian trains is another experience. I genuinely don't want to get into that because I swear I loved all my train journeys.
Asala?
Yeah, let's not just get into that.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it either.
It's no, bro. It's mentally excruciating. And then we landed up in Punjab. My dad's friend was also there with us, and he also had a few friends in Punjab. They took really good care of us. I loved Punjab experience. Like with the first 3 days with my parents, we went to all the places. Amritsar, Elinde. We went to Wagah border. We went everywhere where we could. It was fun. And then they helped me settle down in the hostel. And return వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు they both cried. My dad was like, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండు వచ్చేసావు ఇక్కడికి, ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ యుల్ డూ అని. అండ్ దెన్ దే వెంట్. I cried a lot. My mom and me, we cry a lot every time I move away. Like వెకేషన్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు ఇట్లా గంగా నది పారుతుంటది ఇంట్లో. క్రేజీ. We cry a lot. ఇట్లా లాస్ట్ నైట్ హోటల్లో పడుకొని ఉండే నేను మా మమ్మీ. ఇట్లా మా మమ్మీని చూసి అమ్మ దిస్ ఇస్ ది లాస్ట్ నైట్ వి స్లీపింగ్ బిసైడ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ కదా అని ఐ క్రైడ్ ఆఫ్ అండ్ ఐ స్లెప్ట్ అంట. మై మామ్ డెంట్ స్లీప్ ఆల్ ది నైట్. షీ వాస్ లైక్ I don't know what made you say that and you slept off like a baby. I couldn't sleep all that night. Yeah, so that was my Punjab story.
That is so emotional, bro. But now you laugh.
Right.
That is another side of people coming to the college, and it's me. I did not write MSET. I did not write I did not write MSET. I wrote mains. I completed the mains exam in like 20 minutes because I know I can't get into it for again so and so reasons.
Okay.
So yeah, I can't get into it. Of course, nakunna buddhiki, makunna caste category ki, or whatever the reasons I can't.
Fair
get
reasons, bro. Yeah, makes sense.
So again, I don't wanted to. I never wanted to study in Hyderabad because my parents are very pampering. They keep me at like. They love me too much. I can't grow in my house for like 4 years. I want to enjoy. I want to do my own laundry. I want to cook and చెప్పేసి I wanted to go out of my house. I was so sure about it. So I thought I would end up
that's so
in
mature.
Bangalore. Yeah. I mean, mommy is everything. She cooks for me and everything. That's so sweet of her. And I'm like the most pampered kid in the family. Everything comes and that is so sweet of them. But I want to stand on my own legs, right? So
Makes sense.
I'll
Yeah,
not
fair.
stay at home. I'll have fun. I want to see outside world. I want to pay my own things, groceries, or talk with people, or anything. So I thought I'll end up in Bangalore, but I know my parents would book a train or like a bus the next day, so they'll come every weekend or so. So
Fair,
I was like,
yeah.
South India is also no for me. My parents can literally come over. I told them very recently that the reason I did not go to Bangalore because the next day you'll be in Bangalore. It's so easy for you to come. So I chose not to go to Bangalore universities. It's so funny, but they really love me so much, and I love them so much too. But sometimes it's weird. But anyway,
Yeah.
I was like, let's see which has again same big campus, amazing universities, the top priority. I thought I'll go to Parul or Flames,
Hmm.
Pune or Amity or anything. Such big exposure and all, but Amity, Parul was like, I don't know, God grace. I did not go to Parul or anything because LP is so near to Himachal, bro. It's so
I
amazing that I could
know.
travel a lot because of going to LPO.
Yeah, I
And
think I went to
then,
Himachal 3 times when I was in Punjab.
really, and you will love it. The best thing at my college is going to trips and all. It was so
True.
fun. And it was my
So,
dad who came along.
oh, your
We
mom didn't
went
come?
to. No, my mom didn't come because another cousin of mine has to join with me. So me and my big cousin,
Oh,
yeah, and my dad. So we three came to Amritsar, and then I did not go to Wagah border till now.
oh, you
When you
should,
mentioned,
dude.
yeah, when you mentioned, I was like, shit, man, I did not go.
Oh my
But
God. Not even in the 4 years?
no, I did not.
That's
Maybe for
crazy.
I went to the
Yeah.
Golden Temple and then joined the hostel. And my dad is like, "Okay, have fun." And I'm like, "Yeah, I'll have fun. Bye, bye." Such a cold
That's
at
so
heart, dude.
cute. I love that story.
It is so funny to look about, but my parents were like super emotional. I mean, of course, single child. My mom loves me so much. It was so hard for her. To me as
Oh,
well, of course. I did not go out a lot when I was in Hyderabad. It was just me, my mom, and very close family nearby. So it was really different experience. I would say it was fun, but it was fun. I had amazing time at
yeah.
at my college. And
Crazy.
how we
Yeah.
met?
LP. Oh my God, that's so funny. Dude, I don't want to take names, but
let me let me think about it.
yeah. Do you want to tell me how
Okay.
you met me, and I'll tell you how I met you?
Like, a very good friend of mine, very good friend of mine, is friend of Purnima.
Hmm.
And then he's like, I think you should meet Purnima. And then we met and then we had lunch together, I guess.
Lunch together, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
And
That's
you
your,
guys helped me in shifting my hostel. That I'd be so grateful for.
yeah, we did not help you lifting your bags and all. We just told you the way to go to your room. But
No,
you're
I
being
think
generous.
the boy who was friend yours, he helped
Of
me in
mine?
moving.
Yeah. How
Let's
kind of
keep his
him, bro.
name as S.
Yeah.
So this so and so S, he helped me in moving my
Yeah.
hostel. I'm so grateful for him
Shout out
till
to
today for
S.
that. Shout out to S. He lifted my mattress, bro. It was fucking 20 kgs. How
Shout
could
out to
I not
S.
be thankful?
Yeah, you should be thankful.
So yeah,
You should be thankful because
how I
he
met
made
him.
you. You should. Oh, yeah, I never know.
So I met him through this event. You know, this Center for Professional Enhancement People. They organize events, Gala.
Yeah.
I was hosting one of that event,
Oh, okay, cool.
and I went to in the one guy. He came to give some speech. I think it's some impromptu speech. So this guy, he's very nervous because of the stage and all. So he came and he fainted. అక్కడే పడిపోయిండు అతను ఎవరో. I was the host just standing beside him and I panicked. I didn't know what to do. He literally
Huh?
fell off. ఇట్లా పడిపోయిండు. Yeah, and then this S guy came again in my favor. He helped in managing the situation, and then I was like, dude, thank you so much. I literally freaked out, and I started venting out everything, my nervousness and all, to this S guy, and that's how we got close, and next day he started appearing in front of my classrooms, my blog,
That's
everywhere in
such a
LPU
movie
I
plot,
go.
bro.
S is
Purnima,
there.
you should definitely make a movie
Oh,
out of
I
this.
know.
Crazy.
Oh
Yeah,
my
so,
god, but that was kind
it
of
was
concha
crazy.
scary also. Crazy. So yeah, that was kind of scary, but that's how I met you guys, you and Akshaya, through S.
Yeah. I tried Raki to him.
Yeah, people.
He's a good guy.
You did?
Yeah, yeah. He's
That's
a good guy.
nice.
But yeah,
He
that's
is.
how
He
you
is a good
met
guy.
me and Akshay.
Yeah, that's how I met him. So yeah, let's talk about LPU and crazy people we met there.
Cool.
Shout out to
Interesting
our
thing.
friends first of all. I love all of my friends I made in Punjab. And I love
Definitely.
your friends too. You've got such a vibe. Whenever I see yours and Akshaya's Instagram, dude, I love your friends.
Okay. I'm an extrovert. Okay. A disclaimer to people who are watching. I would say being extrovert gets you problem a little bit. So every time I don't have a hesitation to speak to new people. I go like, "Hi, how are you? This is me." I
Same,
go on
I
like that.
relate.
Yeah, and sometimes people take that very
Mm.
seriously to them and then get that thing into their brain and have their own delusional things about me or anyone. So that is the reason my Instagram and Akshaya's Instagram are like full of people and we say yes to things, but
So happening. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I am also an extrovert. That's when people get this hint of me being extremely close to them. But I mean, I don't know if it's nice to say. మా మమ్మీ చెప్తుంటది. She'd say, అది దారినెళ్ళే గాడిదతో అయినా మాట్లాడుతుంది ఎవరు.
మా మమ్మీ నన్ను కూడా అంటున్నారు.
No, she's like, I don't know, ఎవడేం అనుకుంటున్నాడో తెలీదు, బట్ అది మాత్రం ఎవరితో అయినా మాట్లాడుతుంది, ఎక్కడ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ తెస్తుందో ఏమో ఇంట్లోకి అని చెప్తుంటది ఎప్పుడు.
సేమ్ అది కొంచెం తగ్గించుకోవాలి. దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బిహేవియర్ we should
But
work on
I genuinely
myself,
can't control
ourselves.
that because whenever I see people, I get super excited and like I just want to talk to them, bro. I just want to know
Oh my
them.
God,
I
I
just
can't
want to.
believe I'm relating it to so much. I don't have
Yeah.
hesitation or like shy if you have a new person. I'll make them comfortable so easily. Like, oh hi, how are you? Oh, did you go to that college? Very recently, I've met a friend who's not my friend. I've been asking him like, oh, what is the meaning of the tattoo and all? I'm like, dude, you just met me like
Dude.
2 minutes. I hope he's not creeped out of me, but that's me.
I know what you mean. Maybe that's how even S got a bit close to me. People think, yeah, sometimes I delude myself thinking that I'm maybe giving hints to the opposite gender, but I genuinely am not.
That is something. I would tattoo my forehead on. I don't have any intentions on you, brother.
Yeah. See, the thing is, if I have any romantic intentions inside my head towards you, trust me, I would put it right out there. No hints. I would just tell you, I would declare it.
I did not open that door of myself yet, so I have no opinion on it.
I mean,
But
I didn't do that yet, but if I get a chance, I'll
Yeah.
definitely do it.
maybe I would be that too. But let's see.
Yeah. So yeah, talking about crazy people, North Indian boys and people I've met, especially boys, even who belong to South India in LPU, I genuinely want to talk about them, and especially with you because I've heard your crazy stories too, and I really, really want to talk about it.
Okay, I have
Dude.
like too many stories to tell. But
No, let's go on and on. Let's make it a boys episode. We can cut off everything because I genuinely want to rant.
oh, I prepared for something else, Purnima. But it's okay. Maybe we should talk about it because it is really
Yeah.
surprise the thing to talk about how people deal these kind of relationships or something. But
Yeah.
thank you for people who I've met. All of them are being so kind. Most of them were so kind, and
Yeah, everyone.
yeah, everyone.
Let's say that.
Everyone,
Guys, you're
maybe.
the best. The problem is us. We are the
Yeah.
problem.
Oh yeah, maybe at the end the problem is turning out to be like that way only. So many misunderstandings can lead you take away or anything. So where do we even begin? I think you should
Th-
start
okay,
by
fine. Yeah, I
making me
have crazy
comfortable.
stories. Craziest stories. But the thing, I have seen a difference between North Indian boys and South Indian boys I've met, especially in LPU and in Punjab. The thing is, bro, at least South Indian boys take some time, like they get to know the girl. For
పాపం
example, they friend zone
సిగ్గుపడతారు.
her. సిగ్గుపడతారు bro. Punjabis and North Indian boys are so unhinged. ఇట్లా చూడంగానే ఎట్లా డిసైడ్ అయిపోతారు that I want to go to her and get the Instagram or like number. Random people. Me and Koshika and one of my friend, we have this McDonald's, no, Burger King, I guess, near our university. Remember, it's just in the
Yeah,
walkable
yeah,
distance.
yeah, very near to us.
One night we thought of going there and getting a cold coffee, so we were all walking. There comes a random bunch of Punjabi boys in a car with loudest music possible. ఇట్లా ఫుల్ స్పీకర్స్తో విండోస్ కిందకి దింపుకొని నడుస్తూ వస్తున్నారు బ్రో. They were creepy as fuck. First of all, they started slowing down the car. There are just three girls isolated on the road where no one else is seen. And these people drive slowly. I don't know. They were calling me itla, can you come here? Can you come here? అని ఎందుకు వెళ్తా నేను అట్లా ర్యాండమ్ స్ట్రేంజర్ వచ్చి వస్తావా అంటే నేనేమన్నా చిన్నపిల్ల నా చాక్లెట్ చూపించగానే వెళ్ళడానికి I was like, that's creepy. Okay, stay away. And then we were walking to the Burger King, and then we literally ran to the Burger King because we don't want to get into the trouble. And those people, they parked outside the Burger King and they were waiting for us. Since we didn't come out for a while, they came inside and it was like 11 in the night and no one was there anywhere around.
Bro,
They came into the Burger King. I was super scared. And now I'm like speed dialing every one of my friends who are there outside who can come and help me out. So they came, they sat in front of me, and then they were like, can we talk to you for a second? Can we talk to you for a second? I was like, yeah, just fuck it, tell me what is it. This guy goes and he's so sweetly asking for my Instagram ID. I'm like, dude, itna mehnat for Instagram ID. Agar de bhi diya to what would you do? Like, what will you do with my Instagram ID? That's
Punjabis are
crazy
very
and creepy.
No, yeah, exactly.
Very
I
creepy.
personally did not occur to that kind of situations, but I've heard lot of many things like this. Yeah, whether that's true. That's true. And basically, Punjabis are with cars and loud music.
Oh my god.
Is
That
so
is their
irritating.
thing.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Living outside
Yeah.
is so. We are so used
Yeah,
to
even
it, but
I know.
it is so
When
irritating.
I was in South, I was in really protected space, to be honest. I never got encountered of such creepy things. I mean, my friends used to tell me, but me personally, I never got to see such things. పంజాబ్లో అడుగు పెట్టంగానే ది ఎయిర్ హింటెడ్ మీ అబౌట్ ది క్రీపీ బాయ్స్ వి వెంట్ టు అమృత్సర్ గోల్డెన్ టెంపుల్ బ్రో. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మా నాన్నతో మాట్లాడుకుంటుండే అప్పుడు మై హెడ్ స్పేస్ వాస్ టోటలీ డిఫరెంట్. ఐ మెట్ దిస్ ర్యాండమ్ గై ఇట్లా లంగర్ అని ఉంటుంది కదా, దే సర్వ్ ఫుడ్ ఫ్రీలీ.
In
So we
Gurudwara.
went there to experience. Yeah. We went there to like have food there, and there was this Punjabi guy. He was just smiling at me. He was just looking at me. I was like, ఏమవుతుంది వీడికి, బాగానే ఉన్నాడా, ఎందుకు ఇట్లా నషా చేస్తుండు అని. అండ్ దెన్ randomly he comes up, he shows his hand. There's nothing on his hand. Aim చూడాలి. I'm like, what is it? It's like, write your number.
Such a crazy guy. I expected
I
something
am.
else.
No, he's like, write your number. I'm with my mom, dad, and my dad's friend.
Yep,
The audacity.
100. Simple.
And these three people, అలగ్ దునియాలో ఉన్నారు ముగ్గురు. They didn't even notice.
Oh, shit.
Imagine. And then I come out of the temple. I see my shoes are lost. Someone stole it. I bet it was that guy, bro. He stole my shoes. I know. I know it for a reason.
నంబర్ ఇవ్వకపోతే చెప్పులు ఎందుకు దొంగతనం చేస్తే పూర్ణి మనసు.
And then I wore my dad's slippers and we went to the Punjabi Jutti store. This guy was following. Ma Nana, he calls himself this protective dad. He's such a pooky. అలగ్ దునియాలో నడుస్తుండు ఇట్లా డోరా ది ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ లెక్కన బ్యాగ్ వేసుకొని ఇట్లా ఇట్లా చూస్తూ వెళ్తుండు. దట్ గై ఇస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ. హీ హ్యాడ్ నో ఐడియా. మై మమ్ నోటీస్డ్ ఇట్ అండ్ షీస్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే, స్టే క్వైట్, ఇట్స్ ఫైన్. మై డాడ్ ఇస్ లైక్, ఈ చెప్పు కలర్ నచ్చింది. ఐమ్ లైక్, నానా, డోంట్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్, వీఆర్ ఇన్ అ సిచ్యువేషన్ రైట్ నౌ. నో, అవన్నీ ఫరక్ పడవు ఆయనకి. చెప్పు కలర్ నచ్చింది. ఏం నచ్చుతుంది బ్రో? పంజాబీ జూతీలో అన్ని కలర్స్ ఉంటాయి అక్కడ. what am I supposed to like it? Just buy whatever it is. And then we bought the shoes. He literally followed us to our homestay. He stayed there for a while and then went away. Did he really think I'm gonna go down and write my number on his hand? Crazy. That was one crazy story.
Crazy.
Yeah. Again,
You
and
live
now
have an interesting experiences, dude. I never
very
had
interesting and weird experiences. That's and funny also. Like, why would you
Yeah,
think a
now
random
it's
girl
funny.
would write?
Now
I
it's
don't.
funny,
I didn't even
but
have a
that
pen.
fun.
గుడికి పెన్ ఎవరు తీసుకెళ్తాడు?
ఇట్లా చేత్తో రాస్తే he'll feel it.
Crazy. That was North Indians. Coming to South Indians, I am genuinely very intrigued with these, I don't know, brain mechanics that happen in South Indian boy brains, bro. First of all, the super, super close. I feel that they're brothers for life. And then they shift. I'm like, wait, I don't think this was what I supposed to turn.
Exactly. I understand where you're coming from.
Yeah.
They started off with a different instinct and they end up
Exactly.
becoming a different instinct.
What we had was entirely different, and what you're trying to show is so different. Is it in my head or in your head? What
No,
is
no, no,
wrong?
no.
My
No.
equations are not matching. Yeah.
No, I can relate to it. There are like too many incidents I saw in my surroundings. So
Yeah. Now tell me
South
about your
Indian
story.
people. Yeah, I mean, I did not personally have like a weird stories, but
Obviously. I attract weird people, Emo.
నాకు అర్థం కాదు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ అరౌండ్ మీ బేసికలీ. సో ఐఎమ్ లైక్, ఇప్పుడు నాకు వేరే వాళ్ళు వచ్చి చెప్తే, ఓ దిస్ హ్యాపెన్, యూ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ బ్రెయిన్, ఓ ఇస్ ఇట్, బట్ అప్పటికే అది లేట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. దట్ లైక్ సో పాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, లైక్ ఓ షిట్ మ్యాన్, ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు గాస్ టు థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. బట్
Shit.
I have goldfish memory. Okay, the night we had like 2 hours, 2 hours call, right? When we were discussing about it, and then I remember
Yeah.
there's this guy in like second semester. He was a Kashmiri guy. He used to text me on LPU live. Remember? We have LPU live. And
Oh my
then
God,
it
that was the
moni-
creepiest thing.
That was monitored by admins. And then, yeah, I don't remember what he texted. And then we got caught in the class next time. It's like he sent us out. Like, no, he called me something and then he sent us out. Like, bro, Amy, why are you doing all this shit and all?
Yeah.
And then he was kind of a usual typical boy behavior. His name is Sarfaraz Butt. Kashmiri.
We are
I would
taking
definitely-
names.
No, this guy can't even.
Yeah,
reach me
yeah.
out.
This
His
guy,
name-
it's okay.
Yeah, like, so that was like a weirdest experience of my life. He was super handsome. Now I hope my parents don't watch this. Me and Akshay used to have a beef saying that, oh my god, he's so super good looking, and
Oh,
but his action turns out to be really bad, and then I lost interest.
that's a turn
Of
off.
course. Yeah, and then it was so weird. He used to kind of really bad, of course. Typical men behavior. I mean, not all men, but again, bad men.
It's okay. They'll understand. Typical men behavior.
Yeah, it was that, and someone or the other. But I would suggest people not to confess anyone before the math exam, please. From Purnima itself.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No. I was not. Oh yeah. I was confessed before my math exam, and after several weeks of my math exam, I was called out by a man. that I
Yeah.
have a deficit of emotional depth.
Them-
I mean, how could he even think of that?
I'm sorry
That
for that.
statement,
You
bro.
don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. Definitely.
The saddest part is I didn't have any comeback, bro. ఏం చెప్పాలో అర్థం కాలే అన్న ఇంగ్లీష్ లిటరేచర్ ప్రొఫెసర్ లెక్కన మాట్లాడి వెళ్ళిపోయిండు. I was
And if he asked you not
dumb.
to talk about it any time soon, right? So
Yeah.
sad.
Sad, extremely sad.
But
It really hurts me when a friendship gets lost in these dynamics.
I agree. I definitely agree. I would say the same thing. I used to have like a 12 or 13 people group kind of people in my first and
Wow,
second years. Yeah, and
that's
then
my dream group.
I had like so much fun. I had like amazing fun, but again, because of the same dynamics or relationships we spoke about, we I had to cut them through because I don't want the intentions to carry forward. Me being their friend, or they are not ready to take me as their friend. So obviously, I won't take that as well. So if they and me cannot be in that kind of a fun, I would definitely choose to cut them. But it's okay. I feel like it's really okay to
Yeah,
normalize because now we know what were the intentions. But I've lost
true.
people like that in midway. But now I'm really happy for what I have. That's it.
Yes, there are so many people to come and go. It's just
But we need to
a part of
take
life.
out some things in this boy
Yeah,
behavior or
honest.
anything.
Yeah, true, true, true. But tell me something. If, for example, they were okay with being friends again, matlab, Annie back to normal, and you guys would be with good rapport and all, would you still be up for being friends with them, or you'll have that awkwardness of he confessing to you and I don't know.
Um, I would be selfish in it. Okay, I can be normal friend as well. I don't.
Yeah,
I mean, if
same.
he can, yeah, if
Yeah,
he
yeah, yeah.
can,
I can
so
be
I won't
as
mind.
normal as possible.
Yeah,
Yeah, me
exactly.
too.
I don't. I'm not. I'm not that person who gets the awkward things in between two people. So until he is fine, I'm happy to be his friend. But again, the same thing. Risk is there. Risk is involved.
Risk is that. Yeah, yeah,
If the things turns out again in that way, I would be like, okay, Bhaiya, I gave you a chance to be my friend, but if it's not working out, maybe you should find a different way
yeah.
because
I
it
feel like I'm
helps
still
them
in
as
one of
well
that.
to move on.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I feel like I'm still in one of that risk portfolio, bro.
I would say, um, for me, clarity is really important. So I think you should just speak
Hmm.
to them. Even small things could be like, oh, maybe that could be done naturally. It cannot be. I would definitely seek, a closure or a communication on what happened and how are we taking
Hmm.
things forward. So it actually clears out a lot of things for me, basically. So if I'm having a very awkward relationship with someone, I mean, as a friend, I would speak the heart of mine and ask him what are we expecting from it. So I think it clears
Yeah.
out in a way.
Fair
So you
enough.
can be as normal and natural. I'm happy by
That's so
dealing with
mature.
that option. I wouldn't say that way, but recently, what could be happening? Sometimes you might take a little break to analyze what happened and everything. So yeah, depends on
Mm,
situation to situation. It's not easy to get the things out on the table, but clarity is
fair.
something we should work on.
Yeah.
If
I
you,
got to remember of one more story. I don't know. It's so many stories. I'm so sorry. Like this episode is going in a wrong way, but this is the last
no,
story, and we'll move on to some productive shit. But
no, no, no.
Telugu
Happy to
boys,
hear.
bro, help you low. You're so cute.
Oh my
Telugu
god.
boys, they're so
Ah,
loud. I don't know. Maybe కావాలనే చెప్తారేమో so that the girl can hear what they're feeling inside అని. Random strangers again. I hear Telugu boys talking shit about girls in public. For example, ఇట్లా నడుస్తూ వెళ్తున్నాం అనుకో. They'd be like, అరే ఇట్లాంటి అమ్మాయి మనకి ఎందుకు దొరకలేదురా. ఏమన్నా
Oh my god, me and
బజారా
Lakshya would
దొరకడానికి.
have a beef on it. Exactly. So basically, we look like North Indians. Anyone who wears
Okay.
a t-shirt and a jeans, Telugu boy thinks these people are North Indians. I feel like everyone thinks I'm a North Indian. I don't know. I give up a North Indian vibe or what. So basically, when we are gathering, like a lot of people in a food court or something,
Yeah.
Avin Express Degra. So they go and they catcall people or anything, and then I actually look into the eyes like, bro, nak Telugu వచ్చు. I actually get like
Telugu.
to Telugu వచ్చు. And
Me
then
too.
leave.
Same, I did that. I got into trouble because of that.
I have lot of fun. I had lot of fun in this saying that ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి యాక్చువల్లీ అదే పోయాను బ్రో.
Did you say Jay Balaya? You went to them and be like,
No, no, no.
eh.
I went like straight look into it. నాకు తెలుగు వచ్చు బ్రో. And they're like, sorry. I'm not that person, but I could be fun. It was just
Bro,
for fun.
that's crazy. I did this exact same thing. So, LPU first, వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నా రూమ్మేట్ నన్ను యూనిమాల్ తీసుకెళ్ళిండే బ్రో. There was this guy with the girl. I don't know. సో అతను హీ డెంట్ క్యాట్ కాల్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ హీ వాస్ లైక్ అరే ఇట్లాంటి అమ్మాయిలు మనకి ఎందుకు దొరకరా అని హీ వాస్ టాకింగ్ ఐ వాస్ లైక్ దొరకడం ఏంటన్నా అని ఇట్లా తిరిగి అసలు నాకు తెలుగు వచ్చు అని ఐ సెడ్ అండ్ దెన్ he followed me. He was like, excuse me, wait. I was like, oh my god, I landed in
Shit.
trouble, bro.
Things turned out to be another way.
Yeah,
ఎందుకు
that's
పోయినా
when
అన్ని ఇట్లా
I
weird
don't know.
things అన్ని
I told you I attract weird energy. సో అందుకని ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా అట్లా ఇక్కడ కూడా బ్రో లండన్లో కూడా దే క్యాట్ కాల్ పీపుల్ ఇట్లా నడుస్తుంటే రే అమ్మాయి భలే ఉంది కాదురా రే అమ్మాయి ఏముందిరా అంటే నౌ ఐ జస్ట్ డోంట్ యాక్ట్ లైక్ ఐ నో తెలుగు బ్రో దే థింక్ ఐమ్ మలయాళీ బికాస్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఐ పుట్ ది బింది అండ్ స్టఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఐ గివ్ మలయాళీ వైబ్స్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈవెన్ మలయాళీస్ థింక్ ఐమ్ మలయాళీ తెలుగు థింక్ ఐమ్ మలయాళీ Tamilians think I'm a Malayali, so I'm like, yeah, I'm a Malayali. So yeah, so now I'm not like at all reacting. I'm just like, okay, fine.
Oh my god, you should definitely react to it. It's so fun. You feel like,
It's so
you're
fun. I
actually
love
superior on
doing
this thing.
that.
Yeah, I actually write in my journals like that, bro, this happened. It was so fun. It is
But-
so fun to make
Yeah,
people
it is
feel
fun. But I just got scared, bro. Randomly itla follow అయిపోతే hostel కి ఎట్లా? I mean, like, I can't have another guy standing in front of my hostel.
అరే బ్రో నేను ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద ఇన్స్టెంట్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ దర్ లైక్ అమ్మ ఇంకొకసారి అమ్మ ముఖం కూడా చూడద్దు అనుకుంటారు అండ్ దెన్ పీపుల్ లిటరలీ ఫాలోయింగ్ యూ ఇట్స్ సో డిఫరెంట్
Crazy.
Punima, you
Yeah.
have magnet around you. Everyone wants to follow to your hostel.
Yeah, as if I live in a bungalow. అందరు హాస్టల్ దగ్గరకు వస్తారు ఏం లేదు అక్కడ GH2 ఉంది.
నిజంగా కదా షౌట్ అవుట్
Oh my god. Yeah, but they all made LPU fun, bro. Honestly, if it weren't for them, I didn't have any experiences to share with you today.
యా
Yeah, so LPU was all about trips, last minute exam preparations, creepy men. I don't say creepy, but crazy men.
క్రేజీ మ్యాన్ యా క్రీపీ మ్యాన్ వర్ నాట్ దేర్
Yeah.
ఇన్ మై లైఫ్ yet.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
I
Creepy
do
is
have
next
creepy
level.
incidents by the crazy men.
Yeah.
But it was fun. It was so
You're not
fun.
sharing the creepy incidents. I think you're a bit hesitant over
Yeah,
there.
I'm hesitant. Okay.
It's fine. Do you want to? I'm not forcing you.
I don't know. Just don't stalk people, guys. You'll get caught easily.
Please, guys, please.
Have some self-respect.
Have some dignity.
Have some self-respect. People love you if you have respect yourself. If you're out
Yeah.
there, you're just creepy. That's it.
True. Yep.
And what else?
We talked so much about college. But bro, I had this, I don't know, should we talk about how it was dealing with hostel and friends because we were single children
Children,
in the
yeah.
family. Yeah, maybe we should talk about it because I don't know. I was never treated like a single kid in my house because like I had my cousins of my age and you know I was not like super pampered also. But still, what is different is I am very particular in sharing my things. I'm so particular, and I cannot have Yeah,
Same.
anyone, yeah,
Same. I
I get
relate.
jealous very easily. Yeah, only with my parents though. It's not like with everyone. That's koncham again. That's toxic, but only with my parents. And staying in hostel really made me learn so many things. Like navigating with people in general.
For me, I would say it was a different experience. Okay, hostel and also our college gave a lot of stress at one time. I kind of did
Yeah.
not have tears left to think about my home back then. First 10 days, I was super stressful because the computer blog, everyone would remember, okay, you are not a degree computer science student. So, for our first year, first sem, we
Yeah.
had to get ready as like a software engineering officer and be ready with your CV, and you have to apply for the ready you have to set for an interview, that is like a subject.
Oh.
So I got super overwhelmed. I called my dad and saying that, dad, this is not what I expected. This is a factory. Um, People are actually making products out of us. We are getting sold into the companies in the fourth year. I'm like bawling and I was crying. But thanks to my roommates, they were like super
No.
fun. Yeah, literally, I cried out, carried the shit out of me like in the first 10 days. I thought, I don't like LPU, I don't like college, there's no fun and all. But it was, I
You
came across through that aspect.
crazy. But I get what you mean.
Did you cry
Sometimes I
in
feel like,
first year?
yeah, I did cry a lot because I came late and I missed out on so many things. And bro, I don't know, it just felt so weird. I felt so stranded in front of all these people who know each other already.
No,
So it's
true.
like, oh my god, yeah, I don't have any friends at
We
all.
don't
I mean,
have
the thing with
where to
me
sit.
is, I call myself an extrovert, but I can't deal with a huge group of people at a time. You know, if I see a group, I just can't go and like, I don't know, blend in with them easily. I can do one-on-one conversations with strangers, but that part is so hard for me. So yeah, it kind of felt difficult, but again, shout out to my roommates. I love my roommates in LPU. They were everything.
Same, literally.
Yeah.
I learned so much. I don't know, I had seniors as my roommates.
Oh,
So,
that's crazy. That's so
yeah,
much helpful.
they actually gave me a way to follow in my LPO journey. So basically, I was around seniors for like 2 years
Yeah.
until I met
Yeah.
Akshya. It was all my seniors. Shout out to Suman, Jayanti, and Kashi. They're like world to
Shout
me.
out,
Oh my
guys.
god,
Yeah.
I can't believe. Yeah, Suman was like my godmother. I would definitely make her godmother to my children because she taught me
Oh,
so much. The reason I am like this would be kind of given credit to Suman. And yeah, it was so fun. Roommates were never a problem for me.
same.
I mean, like, I never thought I would gel into that situation that well. We used to cook together. They helped me so much. Jayanti and
Wow.
Suman actually replaced my mother for 2 years. I never thought I would do
That's
anything
so
alone.
sweet.
Exactly.
Shout
You
out,
had
shout
seniors?
out.
You had
Nope.
seniors?
I
Yeah,
had
who?
people of my age, but I had this roommate, Ayushi. She was super, super sweet. You know, she was 1 year older than me, so she acted like a big sister all the time. She always gave me the washroom, whenever I needed. For example, I mean, that's such a silly thing, but bro, that helps a lot. For example, if I have a class, I have class every day at 9 a.m. in the morning, mathematics things. I don't know what they teach, but they teach at 9 a.m. So Ayushi used to wake up at 7 a.m., get ready, take bath, and then sleep, and then wake me up at 8 so that, I don't have to wake up early and, fall in this queue and stuff. So yeah, I mean, we
I
we we
love
were
how
just two, but
people are
still
so kind. Exactly. For
helpful.
me,
Yeah,
it's
and when I used to
Jayanti.
get late, yeah, exactly. When I used to get late and stuff, she used to iron my clothes for me. She was like, "Let me do it. Just quickly give.
What's the name? Ayushi is like super.
Ayushi, I love you so much. Oh my god, yeah. She used to do that.
I mean, people are so kind. I mean, maybe it's a girl thing or something with
Kindest
girls.
people.
I felt so
Yeah.
loved. I mean, everyone has this person in their life who are almost doing everything. Oh yeah, for example, for us, we never had that sisterly love before.
Yeah, exactly.
So it was so lovable in my first and second year. They were everything to me. They used to, yeah, example. I'm so happy. Should be so grateful to have
We
them,
should be
right?
so grateful, so true. And even Koshika, I feel like Koshika was so sweet to me. We moved out in third year. But she used to cook for me every day. నాకు కుకింగ్ లో సీ గుడ్ తెలియదు బ్రో. ఏం చేస్తా అక్కడ వెళ్ళి ముచ్చట్లు పెడతా ఆమెతో. ఆమె పాపం అన్ని పనులు చేస్తే షీ గెట్స్ ది గ్రోసరీస్. షీ హ్యాండిల్స్ ది హౌస్ సో వెల్. ఐ మీన్ లైక్ ఐ కెనాట్ ఇమాజిన్ మై సెల్ఫ్ లివింగ్ వితౌట్ కోషికా ఇన్ దట్ ప్లేస్. లైక్ everything.
Same.
Even when I had pneumonia, she used to like take me on scooty to Jalandhar, like literally drive 6-7 kilometers. Tarvata cab and all we booked, but like for the first time when I thought it was just fever, bro. Honestly, the kindest people I met were
Yeah,
Punjabi
that's true.
people. Yeah, not Punjabi
Actually,
people, but people I met in
kind
Punjab.
people
Truly,
influence you a lot, right? For example,
lot. Yeah,
Akshaya used to be Koshika for me. Koshiki?
yeah, Koshika.
Yeah, she used to cook amazing food. She used to get the
That's so
groceries.
nice.
Yeah, she used to, of course, Akshay can't eat outside food. I mean, she still eats.
Oh.
But shout out to Akshay.
That's so sweet. Yeah,
But
dude, we love you
it was so
all. We
fun.
love you all.
Yeah, we love you. Thank
We
you so
should
much.
get Akshaya on podcast sometime, like three of us.
She would be
Akshaya is
super
so
shy.
funny.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's super fun. She's so situational, sarcastic person. I would never even imagine. I mean, the spontaneity Akshay could get is
Oh my
crazy.
god, bro. Crazy అసలు ఆమె
We
ఏదైనా
got in a
షోకి
lot
వెళ్ళి
of
ఉండాల్సింది.
trouble because of sarcasm, bro. ఆమె పోయి ఎంత అయింది బ్రో బిల్ అనే టైప్ అది క్రేజీ ఉంటుంది అసలు అక్షయతో ఫన్
Bambo.
ఇట్స్ ఫన్ no
Yeah,
sometimes
she's
it's
super
fun
unhinged.
sometimes yeah that's she doesn't care she doesn't give another thought like
It's like whatever.
exactly
I
that was
yeah,
fun.
I am not that person. I think twice. But sometimes I'm so dumb.
Yeah, we compliment
And
each
people
other so Akshay is like you're like let me win
नमस्ते भैया छोड़ दो.
it's a papam but
पापम भी यार.
yeah, I
Yeah.
learned so much with
Yeah.
Akshay that we should not be that kind of a person. Yeah.
But you know the saddest part is, dude, LPU taught me the worst thing. It put me in this rat race. I don't know, looking at everyone who's into these placements and stuff. Like everyone wants to be this. I don't know. They want to be in this top 1%. They want to have all the skills possible. They want to nail everything. That just put me in a rat race and it fucked up my mental capacity to take
Sure.
everything. I mean, like, I don't know. It was
Hey, every
crazy. Do you want to
engineering
talk about how
college
everyone
is
want to
like
be in
that.
top 1%?
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
annoying.
I mean, I don't want someone else to define success for each and every person, right?
Exactly.
So it's really different. So we are very, young people when we joined. So for us, they defined like success as like you're getting job, you're getting settled, you're getting placed. I don't know. It's maybe they should have taught us like it's about the journey. It's not about the destination. People should have like a much more
They didn't
fun.
watch Maharshi, bro. Bob
Literally.
So sorry.
Sorry
That was
for
so
not
bad.
relating because నేను మూవీస్ ఎక్కువ చూడా
No.
బట్ డెఫినెట్లీ మహర్షిలో ఉంటుండే నా సీన్
Yeah.
బట్ yeah I feel like so once the stereotype is like set like oh everyone should be the Jeff Bezos everyone should be that you know many people are stay confused because their heart is saying that they want to do something else but the standard is
Yeah.
set so you can't
True.
convince you can convince yourself that is much easier than convincing the world around you So, for example, even me, I was having this kind of a period where, oh, should I just give it up and follow into the people who, but thanks to people around me, I'm still figuring out what's good for me personally, not trying to get in what it is said to be.
Yeah, that's the
But
best thing you can do for yourself.
yeah, exactly. This one life, and why do you want to be in like? I think I hope
Yeah,
now everyone is trying to find their own bubble and want to do best in that. But I want everyone to think about themselves. I'm still figuring out. I hope the same to you. But again, 1% is still 1%.
percent.
99% people
Yeah,
will not come become 1%.
exactly.
And it's
Math is
not
not
fun.
mathing there.
I feel like it's no fun to be that 1%. You have lot more stress, dude. Why do you wanna?
Yeah, exactly. What do you
You
mean?
come with
And I feel like,
responsibility and you come with
yeah, dude,
skills.
honestly, so true. Why?
Everyone will hate you. I feel like when you're like one
I
person,
cannot deal with that. I'm a people
everyone
pleaser.
exactly. Oh my god, that is another topic. I actually had a fight with someone, and then I almost won the argument, but I'm a people person. Like it's okay.
So,
I understand. You take.
oh my gosh, you're so sweet. No way.
I feel like yeah, being pleasing mindset. Sometimes you're giving a lot of person of you giving up or something. But again, let's stick to the 1% rate.
True.
Um
No, I know what you mean.
again,
Yeah.
where
No,
do
but the thing
you?
is, I
Yeah,
feel like college was the place where I was personally exposed to social media more. Until 12th varku, I didn't have itna exposure. Though people around me had it, I was not really exposed to it. And everyone in social media also put me through that, I don't know, mental trauma, bro. Why are these people buying iPhones and cars at the age of 18? Why are they trading and investing at the age of 18? వెళ్ళి చదువుకోకుండా బాస్కెట్బాల్ ఆడకుండా ఏం చేస్తున్నారు బ్రో వీళ్ళు? 18 ఇయర్స్కి
exactly.
ఫోన్లు కొంటున్నారు. Why? And everyone like
Exactly.
me, they get
And
into
then
this
మనకి
loop.
పేరు
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, it's just so crazy. I mean, average people like us, they think that is the standard, but that is not. I mean, you're not comparing yourself with the 99% of the India, you're comparing with that 1% who are outliers in terms of mathematics. They're not normal. They're just outliers out of data. I mean, what I
Exactly.
just don't know. It's just so confusing to compare ourselves with them.
Yeah, I feel like that's true. I mean, it's okay to be okay. I mean,
Yeah,
normal. Let's
I'm
normalize
completely okay to be
normalizing.
okay.
It's,
Yeah, just
should be a tagline for like this generation or something.
yeah,
Like
let's normalize
everyone
being
wants to,
normal.
yeah, everyone wants
Yeah,
to be the prodigy in anything. AI prodigy or like a person. The standard, like it's so much peer pressure and mental stress there.
mm,
I feel like achieving so much, but you're also losing so much. Innocence or like a place you trying to be having
true.
fun or like you'll never get that. I mean, I understand the run you want to have with your passion. No, you should be passionate, but
Of course.
comparing yourself to someone who is really passionate
Yeah.
can actually degrade our own selves. I know I'm becoming a TED Talk person, but I hope
No,
I
no, no, you're totally
improvement.
right. And I feel like it shouldn't have a timeline, you know what I mean? Your passion shouldn't have a timeline. What do you mean you have to achieve this by 18 and by
Oh my
20 or
god,
by
that's
25?
true. That is true.
It should drive you throughout entire life. It's not like you've got blocks.
Yeah, I mean, like the lifespan of things become like 20 years. Me, you have to achieve everything, and 20 to like 60 is your retirement period or something. I feel like it's so funny.
Oh my god.
You have a lot of things to do.
Yeah.
I mean, somewhere I read like the average person actually settling in your life is at 30, and now people are actually settling. Maybe it's because of the social media, as you said. The
Yeah,
people are
honestly.
so young and then completely putting themselves on social media and making insecure of the people. I mean, the generation is getting insecure by others.
True.
That is so sad.
generation, do you think it's also getting woke? I mean, like, people are more involving in the system, the society, the politics. I feel good about it. I don't know. I really can't differentiate between people who getting influenced and who getting educated through social media.
Oh yeah,
But
that is a good difference.
yeah, talking about today's current situation, I'm really happy that entire generation is influenced or educated on a right cause. I mean, like, we should maybe talk about protests, for example. I mean, I don't know, I was raised in an activist family. My dad was a communist. So he
Wow.
was a social activist.
I want to
I
know
mean,
how did you feel like
yeah,
growing up?
for me, exactly. I think I have a biased opinion on protests, but I would love to hear your take on it. Because, of course, you might not come from an activist family, as far as I know, right? So, me growing up, I always thought, why is it so hard for people to just term protest as something radical and extreme? They're just asking for basic rights like equal education or minimum wages for
Equality,
workers.
yeah.
Yeah, that's all I know. I mean, like, that's what I know about protests. All I've seen is just people asking for their rights, their wages, their hard works, wealth, and it is what protest is for me, addressing systems fragility and what's going on in society. But what was your take on protest, and what is your take on protest right now? Because I heard you recently saying it changed your view, especially CJP and protest change your view on protest. So how did it change? I don't know, like, it's just so confusing for me because I had the same opinion all the time.
How do I even begin with? If I actually, okay, I'll just put what I have in my mind. So let's take
Uh-huh.
CJP. Um, what they achieved in a timeline. For example, let's take Congress party. It took like, okay, let's take a new party. Let's name it as a random what national party, some
Yeah.
random party, and they've been in the I mean, they've been in the nation for like 10 years, 10 years
Mm-hmm.
span or like 20 years span, and they have manifestos and they run through elections, or they have been, influencing people all along 20 years in base, in everything. And here comes CJP. They came very new.
Yeah.
They became the, satire became strategy for them, right?
True,
So
true.
and people influenced but very quickly to this, compared to this.
Mm.
And I feel like that is what influence will do to you. But again, I would say, the viewership was fast than, valuable, because just because now we have a lot of people around it in the CJP protest, but why are we not still getting what we ask for? Because it's based on a random meme, right? I feel like we are not getting taken seriously. That is what I'm really sad about. So
Yeah.
even like how many people have gathered today in Jantar Mantar, just because I feel like it's so unfortunate that we are asking accountability on a basic human right.
That's true.
I really, really feel like, we are not living in a democratic state. That's what we've discussed, earlier
True.
in that call. The situations have changed very differently. Okay, I have another example or a difference. How
Mm-hmm.
grateful of generation I am in. So remember, let's go back to the partition time, like Telangana and Andhra border separation, right?
Yeah.
People used to burn buses. People used to burn whatever they see, just to make sure they're like, heard. Now we are doing the most peaceful protest. We are
Mm.
being on a ground level to ask what we need. I hope they value how are we approaching the government, and
I know what you mean.
yeah, exactly. I mean, I think we should be heard. We are in a
Mm.
good number of quantity, and we value what we are being peaceful about it, and we are also trying to be woke as possible. Look at how many people are coming. You are not
Mm.
brainwashing someone. We are coming out of our own selves. So I think this is the most valuable thing to be, taken serious of. But it's unfortunate. It's
Yeah.
really saddening to be the situation this way. And I hope things turns out how we are asking. I don't know.
Mm.
It just came out of my mind.
No, that's actually a really mature take. I know. I mean, like, I kind of get a point of view from that. But you know what I feel is earlier, protests never came to the upper middle class. I mean, like, what I feel is the intensity of the protests or the people who got affected by the issues or who protested, they didn't belong to the upper middle class. For example, today's protest is all about systemic failures in education. It affects each and every individual in India. But what I feel is if it affected lower middle class and the poorer sections of India, it would still have
True.
been a
Oh my
problem.
god. So true. Yeah.
Yeah, for
Even people
example, you
in
talked about
yeah.
this, yeah, vandalizing buses. Though I'm not all about destruction and stuff, I've seen protests where people, I don't know, stop the schools running for one day or like stop the buses running. You're so worried about that because one day of your normal productive life is being destructed because of that. But you never go to the thought of an individual or a daily wage worker who's been cut off from his rights. You know what I mean? But today
Yeah.
everyone is getting to relate because
Now
everyone
people
is
yeah.
affected. So what
That's
I feel
so
is like
true.
this section of society who's being affected. Since it has reached majority of Indians, it is making sense. Back then it didn't reach majority of the section. That's why it just meant something radical and extreme. Today it just means seeking accountability. Back then also protest in a democracy all meant seeking accountability, but it was only for a section
Yeah,
who
true.
didn't.
Maybe that is actually true.
Yeah.
I mean, exam for real, dude. If I'm not relating it to it, why would I even
Yeah.
understand? But now I feel like we should definitely think about each and every
So true.
citizen. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, honestly, it's so sad though. I mean, like, if you see, everyone in the protest today were all students. Were all people
And
who
it's
came to the protest for the first time, and the way the state has reacted to that is atrocious. I mean, I don't even know if I can put such strong takes in this fun podcast, but it is genuinely so sad. What do you mean you're using lathis and tear gas and
on
bullet
students.
rubber bullets on people who've just suffered enough already?
Wait, I mean, I feel like everyone is so scared of government, but government is running because of us, dude. It's because of us.
Exactly.
I mean, it's our nation. It's our right to fight of what we need. I mean, people are
True.
like unbothered on. We can't do anything. People can't change. Government can't change. That is not a mindset we should not
No,
go.
not
For
at all. That's a
example, and
privilege.
also
What do you mean it can't change?
exactly. You are so privileged saying that, oh my god, nothing changed. You shouldn't be that way. Some other day it will come to you and then you'll be super late for the cause to react to it. I mean, I
Exactly.
remember
Everything will be
people.
so out of hands.
Yeah, exactly. I don't want our nation to go out of our hands in that way. If you're not
No,
reacting now, don't cry like after so long. Yeah,
afterwards.
that
True,
is
true, true.
a really unfortunate situation there.
Yeah. So, see, as you said, I mean, like, I 100% agree. You said it should work according to people's
Yeah.
intentions and interests. I heard Kankana Ranaut speaking today in front of the parliament saying, if you've chosen the government, government will rule according to their wish. She was like, if you are not aligning with the interests of government, you form a government, she said. I was like, what the fuck? That is not how it works. What do you mean you form a government? We can't do it, sister. That's why we elected you.
Yeah, we trust them so much, and people speaking this way after elections,
Crazy.
the most
It's
hypocrite
funny.
people you'll find is politicians. I don't want to go through
Politicians.
it. Literally. I mean,
We
I
don't want to
don't
get cancelled out, but it is what it is.
definitely. Everyone will actually relate to it. No politician is good. I mean, having a right. No one wants to be a politician if you're actually
Yeah,
being activist or something. Just cut this part out. Again, I don't want people to send
true.
notice to my. But I don't want people to get scared or intimidated by government or politics or anything. I think it's every citizen's right. If we are living in a society, we should be known and aware of what is going around. And yeah, I feel like I'm more involved in knowing how things are working out. We should be
That's
more,
that
and thank
genuinely is
god,
so cool.
yeah, the generation is more interested. Not only me, I'm so
Yeah,
happy and grateful. Now you and me, I'm talking
truly.
about this, is a change, I feel like.
Of course.
So yeah,
Yeah.
it is. I'm so grateful for that. But we are talking about unfortunate things. That is sad again. I wish we'll be having another conversation talking about how situations turned out to be so good for this country. And
Yeah.
yeah,
I have that
the
hope.
things.
Let's see.
Yeah, I mean,
Interesting. Yeah.
again, we
It's
are in a
cool
very
though.
miserable state right now. uh, we are not heard by anyone, by any government official. People who make promises or anyone, no one is coming out for us. I feel so betrayed. I mean, everyone feels so betrayed. That is so sad, dude. No one should actually feel this way after electing someone or trusting someone. I mean, and also very hot take. um,
Mm-hmm.
no
Go for it.
government should no government should bring up God's name or religious beliefs in their electoral memo or their
Yeah.
manifestos or something. Influencing people
It's
through religion is so bad. Don't do it. I feel like no one would
I know. That's
in
I feel
a
like it's
couple of
against
years.
constitution also, as far as I know. I know I might not be the most intellectual person to speak about this, but we are a secular country. You cannot bring the influence of a religion into
Exactly.
a country
Religion
like
beliefs
this.
should be so private to someone. I think I would never disclose my religion or my set of private things to anyone
Of
because that
course.
is
It's your
yeah,
personal belief.
exactly, it should be a personal belief to it, and it's the same thing to our state government. I mean, state government is what I'm talking about to the central government.
Yeah, everyone out there, any political party or any party in the governance or in power today should keep in mind that
Yeah,
religion is your personal belief and it's not something a state should adhere
it's
to.
in the exactly. It's in the
Yeah,
foundational right saying that every person or every individual have right to choose and be have a practice their
honestly.
own religion. And I think yeah, that way it's like it's so unfortunate. I hope
No,
by
so
next
true.
elections a lot of things could have changed,
Yeah, there will
and
be a lot of change, hopefully.
I'll be the first time voter. I'm super excited. Did you vote
Me too,
before?
I'll be voting for the first time. No, I was in Punjab.
Oh, same.
Yeah,
We were in Punjab.
hopefully. Yeah, we were in Punjab. But yeah,
And yeah,
talking
again,
about
if
the
we go back
systemic
to
fragility, dude. Yeah, yeah, go on, sorry.
no, if I think we should definitely talk about how exterior world in Punjab affected us. So guys, we were
Yeah.
traumatized by war situations, terrorism, earthquakes,
Oh my gosh.
and
Yeah. How did
and
we forget
then
about that?
yeah, this is no one can have a conversation like this because no one has been through this. Okay, we saw missiles going around the top of us, and then we saw, almost a terrorism kind of a situation where people had like a
Amritpal
very,
Singh.
yeah, Amritpal Singh running through our main gate, and people. We had no internet for 2 days. Remember? That was
For
such
a
a
week.
weird. Oh yeah, we had like midterm exams. I was super petrified for by that, and then earthquakes. That is, of course, we had no. First time I've
Oh my
experienced
god.
earthquake. Were you
We
there? Were you
experienced
there?
an earthquake. Yeah, I was
Yeah.
there. Oh my god, it's a funny story, okay? I was sleeping.
Oh shit. Oh my god. You did not
Yeah,
experience it then.
No, my roommate was waking me up. She was like, Purni, earthquake aa gaya, utto, utto. I didn't wake up, it seems. So that's true. My mom always used to say that Bhukampam ochna legav nuvu ani. It did happen.
You proved.
Earthquake
You proved.
happened, but I didn't wake up. I proved.
So for me, we live
But
in 8th floor.
no, by the time I woke up, everything was fallen down. It was koncham weird and all.
No, 8th floor isn't it? Which floor do you live in?
Second floor.
Oh yeah, for you the tremors would be more heavier for I was in
Yeah.
8th floor. I was living in 8th floor, and then I never
Oh.
experienced an earthquake. I thought నాకు కళ్ళు తిరుగుతున్నాయి. I thought I'm getting like నాకు వీక్నెస్ వచ్చి నేను ఇట్లా కదులుతున్నానేమో
You're super
అనుకున్నా.
funny.
జేఎంపీ వచ్చేసి డూడ్ పూర్ణ earthquake आ रहा है बाहर चल अरे I my laptop and then I left JNC upstairs. By the time నేను కిందకి 8th floor నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్కి వచ్చేసరికి పీపుల్ ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ కమింగ్ టు 5th floor. ఐ ఓ షెడ్ కానీ
No way. కొంచెం లేట్ అయింది.
కొంచెం లేట్ అయింది.
It's okay.
ఇట్ వాస్ సో ఫనీ.
Oh my God.
వచ్చింది 2 times వచ్చింది. నువ్వు ఉన్నావా? ఐ థింక్
Yeah, yeah.
2 times. Yeah, that was fun. That was
Crazy.
once in a lifetime experience.
And we didn't have electricity, bro. Jab war was happening, we didn't have
War
electricity at all. Yeah.
And then the traumatizing siren they used to put, dude. Now I'm like literal trauma. I will get
Literal
super
trauma.
scared. Yeah, I'll literally have shivers in my hands if I hear that, sound again. I had like very worst experience. I was super sick for like 3 months. I couldn't even walk straight. I came back to Hyderabad after a lot of difficulties. The flights were banned.
Ayyo.
And we came through. Yeah, Delhi ki మేము car లో వచ్చినాము. And then we went to airport and the flight was like Delhi to Mumbai, Mumbai to Hyderabad, and I went to Hyderabad and I couldn't get my health straight.
Oh.
I was really scared. I was really scared of that war and that I couldn't take it out of my heart. So, these
Oh
are
my
the things
God.
we went through.
Yep.
These are
We've
fun
been
parts.
through everything. What not?
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, it was
COVID.
kind of a fun experience for me. I shouldn't say it was fun, but I enjoyed it. I mean, the experience.
We
All of
collected
my
a lot
friends
of
were there.
stories for our kids.
Yeah, honestly, so many. We also went to Delhi by car. I mean, all of us. I mean, friends and all. So it was fun also, Koncham. We used to like chill,
Yeah.
Antakshari aadkuntu and
No, dude, I was like, look super, ammo.
yeah, there were military tanks and all.
This
We
was
used to
full of the way to Delhi was full of cars, and then the way to Punjab was like full of military cars and everything. I was super terrified, dude.
No,
was
I
super
get your
scared.
point. I totally get your point.
నాకు ఇట్లా నైట్ టైం అవుతుంది 6 అవుతుంది అంటే ఐ వుడ్ బి లైక్ సూపర్ పెట్రిఫైడ్ ఐ లైక్ అక్షయ్ అక్షయ్
Ayyo.
I was so delusional about that siren sound, okay? Even if it's not
Oh,
coming or not.
no, I
I'd be
get
like,
you.
Akshay, can you hear it? Can you hear it? It was recurring through my brain.
Oh my gosh. You were deluding yourself.
Yeah. That was a never happening situation. I saw.
No, that was insane.
No one should go through that. No country
No.
should go through that. I'm so sorry for people. I would be super.
That was such a scary and I don't know, very trickful situation for anyone to be in that place.
Yeah, like for real. I mean, before coming to Punjab or like before that war, we saw so many people. We saw the news, right? Like, you know, um, some other country, Syria or Palestine or anyone. We would be like sad and worried about them. But once we are like in that situation,
Yeah. You'll have to
now,
put yourself in those
now,
shoes,
yeah,
you know.
now I'm like actually worried about people who are in war kind of situation. Dude. After
And
me
the
putting-
intensity is 100 times higher. Like what we went through is nothing in front of what they're going through.
every day I can't believe what they're actually going through. I'm so sorry. No politics should be at extinct levels that you are actually putting citizens' life at risk, at that kind of
True.
risk.
And also,
So,
it is not, the results would be so bad. It's gonna change the economies and the landscapes of the countries for years.
yeah, that's true. Y- Some
It's crazy.
decisions can actually affect, as you said, a lot of years, a lot of time. Whew. Actually,
Oh my god.
after COVID, a lot of politics have been, changed. And Purnima,
After COVID,
and
yeah.
Purnima met in an IMUN format, but
Mm,
we we had a lot of things
I
to
was
this.
so bad.
No, and then we were so good at it, but now
True.
the actual UN has no value. It's so sad, dude. It's so sad that why
The diplomacy failed, I feel like the
yeah,
international diplomacy,
nothing
it
is
doesn't have
aligning.
a stance it should have.
Nothing is aligning through the rules or anything. That is so
I feel like it's
unfortunate.
gonna fail like League of Nations did. UN is gonna shut down, bro.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, bro. And for real, I think they should have already. There's a business factor, risk
Yeah,
evaluation. If
yeah,
your
risk
company,
evaluation.
yeah, if your company, what could be the worst scenario that in a day or a two it could go upside down? They have it
Hmm.
and they're ready for it. I want you want to go through it. So it was has no brainer, dude. For example, that's true. You have rules aligned, you have diplomacy, you have diplomats coming through it, and you are actually having an opinion or getting a problem to the podium and having a discussion about it. But I had no news reading where UN sitting saying that what if power or what if nation is not listening to them or like or the judgment which is passed or a law is passed. So sad, dude. I don't
I
know
get
what
you.
happens to the
Yeah.
nations. What could be the most cruelest thing than hurting the civilians
True.
of a country?
I love you looked at it as a business model, like I just love your takes
That's
on
so
things.
much. No, let's go back to the education system. I would be going on talking
No,
about
don't
it.
you want to talk about your case studies? Should we keep it for our next episode, maybe?
Yeah, maybe let's talk about them later because
Yeah.
again a lot of capitalism would come under a wrong episode, right?
So, yeah, bro, we should talk about it. I'm officially booking your next appointment for the episode.
Yay, I hopefully I sit at home at that time.
Yeah, auntie, uncle, please. అట్లా బయటికి పంపించకండి పూర్ణని.
No, yeah.
So, talking about education again, coming back, you know what scares me most about education? AI. I
No,
mean,
yeah.
I don't want to talk about the cliche things like how it's gonna replace everything, teachers, poets, etc., etc. But talking about it financially, it needs massive physical measures and requirements. For example, microchips and like the infrastructure it needs.
Data
And
centers
that,
and all.
yeah, the LLMs need a high amount of money to
What?
build them. And bro, what do you mean every startup is just taking loans and insane amounts of loans, and all these Indian banks, may it be local or like global banks, they're just lending money to AI startups in the name of safe corporate lending, but they're gonna go bankrupt one day. I feel like it's such a crisis, financial crisis. Even RBI has issued a report on it. It's so scary because AI startups are not gonna flourish like these Indian banks think. In the end, everyone is gonna go bankrupt and there's gonna be a huge financial crisis. It's gonna lead us into some hole
Yeah,
which we can't come back or like climb up.
I feel like there will be no money left in the bank. So yeah, okay,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I think it is.
Yeah, please.
A, in US, I feel like it's my opinion. Disclaimer. I
Yeah.
in US, most of the AI companies are backed by the MNCs, for example, Google, Microsoft, or anything. So the money is in the nation, right? So all the US startups which are included by, I mean, are under the umbrella of AI are backed by Meta, Google, or Microsoft, or anyone. So the money is rotating in the startups and MNCs, and it is more like a ecosystem there. Everything is so connected. But here comes to in India, even in India, I don't think so. We have any foundation like that to back our
No,
Indian AI startups. So,
true.
of course, banks are the most reliable thing for Indian startups, Indian AIs. But I don't know what scrutiny bank would do for before lending money to the people or any startups. I think we should definitely read about it because if
Yeah,
you're not,
no, totally.
yeah, AI is a new thing for, I mean, boomers like who are in the bank employees. I'm not sorry. So
Of course.
if there's no credibility, so you don't need AI in everything. Bro, there's a more
Yeah,
lot of things. Like I have like AI smart chair or what. So yeah, we need to have a proper purpose of what are we giving money on. So I
true.
think that is the where we lack on.
I
So
get your
that
point. Yeah, there's no concrete a set of
exactly
rules for which
rules,
they have to
yeah.
lend money. Yeah.
True, true, true. So when
And
again, and what happens to that funded startup? Most of them are still in a seed rounding or trying to get to a scalable. They are trying to
yes.
get okay. At one point, you are in stage one. You're funded by the banks, and now you're getting okay. Then you go to second stage. You get backed. I mean, sponsors by another international, MNCs. Your company is getting sold to them. They are paying money, and then they're just. But yeah, there's no standalone market for India yet. I'm so sorry for it because again,
True.
now thankfully the system has changed a little bit. Before, every founder is getting sold
Yeah.
to another country. Now we are trying to have, and I'm so proud to be an Indian. Startups are actually having a
True.
way through them. But again, we need to have a
Proud moment
credibility
again.
on
Yeah.
our
For sure.
product. And
Yeah.
yeah, everything doesn't need AI, guys. It's so funny these days. AI watch, AI cab, everything is AI. Please,
It's
I don't
insane.
want.
They just, the selling point or the pivotal point for any product to get sold is the word AI nowadays. You know what I mean? If you just say
Like
AI टेक्नोलॉजी है इसमें तो खरीद लेंगे ठीक है.
exactly. Now memes are
Yeah.
running around. I think no domain is empty now without AI. It's so hard to get a
Yeah.
domain name AI.
No. Yeah. In India, also talking about market and stock markets in general, it's funny because I feel like it's only about rich people's feelings today in India. The 2% of rich Indians who are investing and who are trading, and the others are so financially unaware. But I'm also glad again because social media is playing a huge role in like educating people about financial awareness, and I also want to do it on my Instagram page. I don't know, maybe I should try it.
I think you wrote an article on it on Medium, I guess.
Yep. Yes, I did. That's about how
Follow,
I moved to London to understand.
stand,
Yeah.
follow
Follow my
Purnima.
Medium page, guys.
Yeah,
Thank
Medium
you.
page, guys. Exactly.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Wow.
Again,
We had a great conversation.
do
No,
you think
continue. We have more to say. Yeah, honestly.
financial literacy is again really important? But I'm really glad for it. I don't know, is it my cousin? So yesterday, shout out to Vedant. So his
Okay.
fifth
Shout
grade.
out.
Okay, his fifth grade. He studies in Gurukulam near Chilukuru.
Uh
I'll
huh.
tell you his subjects. AI. He got an
Okay.
AI book, and another book is financial literacy. Another one is like computers, and in his fifth lesson, he had creating a mobile app.
What?
Yeah, that is the level exactly. I have a picture to prove you. I was super,
Oh
you
my
know.
gosh.
So,
Dude.
so
Can
I
you
think
show me that if that's okay? Let me like
yeah,
send it to me over or like you can show it right here also.
yeah, I'll definitely send it to you. Now I have to like open.
Perfect. No, 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 it's okay. Oh
So
my
yeah,
gosh.
financial literacy is actually getting, having a little bit of boom. Thank you for
No.
new innovation, new innovators, or new textbook writers. But
Yeah. But it's good that we're talking about finance. But the thing is, I don't know. I mean, like I mentioned in my article also how we're always encouraged to learn mathematics but never finance. But I don't want a fifth grade kid to learn how to develop an app or like create an app, dude. Like, where's the childhood? What do you mean?
yeah,
I don't know. Maybe I'm a boomer right now for
no,
them.
Purnima, he has Excel as his first lesson, Word page as his second lesson, and third he has like email writing. I learned email writing in like ninth grade. I mean, according to the education, thanks to my dad, I know all of those before like ninth grade. But still, um, yeah, people are like learning very quickly than we
Crazy.
did. So do I think our parents thought the same when we are learning Excel
Maybe,
or
yeah.
anything. Yeah, yeah.
No,
Bro, we are
no,
just
I
20.
honestly
What are we
get that.
talking about?
No, when I was in my ninth grade, I'm from ICSE, so I had to choose an optional subject in my ninth and 10th. So I chose computer science. Then I learned Java in ninth and 10th grade. My mom, who has done bachelor's in computer science, she was astonished to see a ninth grade book full of Java. Now I mean like I kind of get what
Fun.
she has gone through.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
These, I don't know, younger generation, I feel like they're giving me the most existential crisis, dude. Everyone
Oh,
is
that's
owning a
that's true.
startup, everyone is coding. Go and live a life, kid. What do you mean? You're creating an app,
Dude,
inventing a
exactly.
startup.
And people are becoming so nonchalant, dude. Have fun. Everyone is
Oh my
so.
gosh.
That's so
Yeah.
cringe. Oh, that's so cringe. I think that is so
They're
sad.
not lively
If you
anymore.
think oh, that is so true, man. I feel so sad for it. People not having fun. People not having. I don't know. Maybe they're having fun. My definition of fun is like being happy,
Maybe.
cringe on around. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
oh. We
I just
forgot
don't know.
another important thing. My topic I
What
really
is it?
wanted to speak on complaining.
Yes. Let's go.
Complaining. I really wanted Purnima
Oh
to
my gosh.
include this thing because
Yes, of
I'm
course.
kind
I
of,
will.
I just don't want people to nag about everything. Like, everything. If I'm going to school, don't
Got
make
you.
it bad. Like, bro, school is boring. School is no fun. School is no fun. If I'm going to college, like, college is so bad. College is so fun. Attendance should be met, dude. They should fun out of class is so nice and all. Again, now I want to join a job. Everyone is like, dude, that is the stupidest thing a person could do right now. Job is the stupidest thing. Don't do it. It's so boring. You'll eat up, delete up. I think there might be true, but
Yeah.
I never
And
found one person being positive about what they do.
I get you.
That is so.
No, I honestly feel like you're even teaching me about how to see things because, I also am a huge complainer. I rant about things unknowingly, but I just lost optimism in life, dude. I think we should bring it back
Exactly,
because
please.
I'm ruining that mood for everyone by complaining. Because what if they want to go into it? I'm genuinely ruining it for them.
I mean, maybe in this point, maybe I feel like, yeah, everyone is so pessimist
Yeah.
about things. No, I don't want to complain on everything again. I'm let
No, I get you.
let
Let's
me
not complain.
experience. Yeah, let me
Yeah.
experience, dude. Let me have my time on things. For example, my uncle who who got married his daughter recently. He's like, don't get married. Like, okay. He's like, don't, okay, let me experience things from my side. Don't just put your opinion. I mean, of course, they saw worse.
Yeah.
They don't want me to go through it. So, yeah, I understand where are they coming from. But how do I grow up in, you
True.
know, so I think
Where's
that
my
is
part of experience in it?
exactly. Maybe I'll have a
If I'm
discussion
already
more on it.
intimidated by starting it already, how do I even
Exactly. Oh my
experience
god, I'm
it?
in the same situation now. I don't. I want to go find a job, but job is not fun. Why do I want to find a job? Exactly. If it's
Exactly.
not fun, why do I waste time trying to find a job or something? Um, I wish I find a cooler person who is more optimist about working. It's like, oh, it's so cool to work. Oh, you'll have so much fun, so much exposure. No one, literally, no one says that. So I feel that backup is not there in me for me to apply for jobs or anything. It's just a small example.
No, I get you.
So yeah, don't ruin things. I don't know where do I find that tribe where everything is so positive. Everything is like, oh, you want to do that? Let's do
Yeah.
that. Whatever it's happening. I feel like that is something I really want to speak upon because I wanted to write an article on it on my point of
Oh,
view.
you should. You
As a
should. You
younger
definitely should.
generation, everyone is saying no to everything. I want to start business. They're like, dude, don't start business. It's so much stress. I want to work. They're like, dude, don't do it. Everything is
Job.
a no. Yeah,
What are we supposed
everything.
to do? Just
Every
live, eat, and breathe?
exactly. Everything is like so ruined by everyone's experiences, bro. I can't believe.
Yeah, I get you. Let's try being optimistic, guys, please.
That is the takeout point of this podcast for me.
Yeah.
Maybe,
Yes, and stop giving
yeah.
unnecessary gyan if we didn't ask for it. Do not say college is not fun. We had so much fun in college. Shut up.
Yeah, two people are so proudly saying that college was the best thing that happened for our life. It
Yeah,
was so fun.
honestly,
That could, please don't ruin it, guys.
true.
I think I spoke a lot of things.
Yeah,
Please, you'll have trouble editing this
no,
out,
you
of
you
course.
just did right. No, of course not. I mean, this is so much easier because we had it in one go. My last episode was kind of crazy.
Now,
I
if you
feel like, oh my
realize
god, this
that
is
we did
going to
not
be a long episode.
really,
We recorded for 1 hour 42 minutes. But yeah, Puna, thank you so much, yaar. Like, this is so nice to have a talk with you. I don't know, it's so refreshing.
shy. No, it is actually. I wouldn't open up if you wouldn't be super, you know, cool about it. I like
Oh,
the flow. I was not awkward.
yeah.
I really thought there would be a little bit of awkward sense when we had that 2 hour call. But
It
thank
wasn't
you, Purna.
awkward at all.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay,
I was
then, should we end it
super.
here?
Yeah, please. I'm already super out.
Yep. Let's go. That was our spiral of conversation today, guys. Bye bye.